Welcome to the Coleon Giovanni experience, where rhythm is life and life is rhythm, and it was our decision to communicate with the non-living. You come from a very deep, dark, rich existence. The people that, or should I say the entities that created you, are the entities that are self-created. At first there was the thought, and then there was the word, and then there was the emotion, the energy in motion, and that gave birth to the water. In the midst of all that, Lucifer was born, the first spirit, the first light, the morning star. The energy of Satan and Lilith, the bottom line energies of creation itself. Perpetuating your own way of seeing things is your birthright. When you look through your own eyes, let's say, when you look through the eyes of spirit, which is your real eyes, your third eye is your first eye. Okay? Your first eye is your third eye. That eye, you were capable of using that eye when you were in your mother's womb to see into the past, present, and future, and beyond. That mighty third eye, it's really the first eye, the third eye, the first eye. You were actually viewing where your life was headed to when you were inside of your mother as just an embryo. The more developed you got, the more the ancestors were visiting you inside of your mother's womb, giving you uncommon information, giving you the layout, giving you exactly what you need, reminding you of the soul contract that you signed before you fell from grace, just to reinvent your godhood. It takes a woman actually a full year to create and give birth to a child. Because the first 3 months of the essence of the child, it's created within the mental essence of the mother. This is why mothers have a different type of connection with the babies. Mothers have a different thing going on. They got a different type of thing going on when it comes to their babies. They have like a different type of homing device. There is nothing more pure than a mother's love. There is nothing more unconditional, nothing more cosmic. Really, love is a demon. Love comes from another planet. This is why people kill for love. Quickest way to get your ass killed is to fuck with a woman's child. Watch what she'll do to you. she'll find some superhuman strength and kill your motherfucking ass. The essence of the child is being born within the framework of the mother's mental. So a woman is mentally pregnant with her child 3 months before she is physically pregnant. Now remember, the ancestors are guiding this. This is all a cosmic correlation, connection, a storyline written out. Real talk. Everything is preordained and written out. They knew exactly who your child's father was going to be, ladies. And it wasn't based off of so much his earthly attributes. No. It was more based on cosmically what he represented, because the energy of your child, ladies, actually pushed themselves into the solar plexus, down into the sacred phallus, the scrotum area, the cosmic balls of your baby's daddy. The child picks which father that the energy resonates of the father with that particular child, and that energy pushes into the solar plexus of the man, going all the way down into his root chakra, into his private area, waiting for that magical moment when it gets ordained by the ancestors, actually waiting to that moment. It gets ordained by spirit. The ancestors are guiding this whole situation. So while the mother is mentally pregnant with the essence of the child, because the child's brainwaves get configured and created through the mother's brainwaves. This is why, like I say, mothers have a different type of connection. You know, mothers can feel things with their children without their children saying anything. Not that fathers don't have a connection, but that connection is way different than the connection that a mother and the child has, because the child's essence is inside of the mother's mental, developing its mental and its personality based off its mother. And this is happening. And then within that process, the energy of the child is resonating with its father. And so that energy pushes itself into the solar plexus of their daddy, down into his testicles, his root chakra area, all in the ball area. Yeah, now, the ancestors are the puppet masters. They're making this happen. They're conducting what's going on. So they're connecting the energy of mama and daddy to that specific night for that specific sex, and then launch it off. And then when daddy comes and mama, all of your brothers and sisters is with you. But you're already the chosen sperm seed. You've already been germinating in the mind of mama. So you swimming like a motherfucker, and your other brothers and sisters, unless you're gonna be, twins or triplets, they fall into the wayside. Like, we'll catch you on the next go around. Daddy got some more of us inside his balls. We'll see you on the next one. Swim, motherfucker, swim. And so you swimming like a motherfucker, and you get in there and you hug on mama's ovaries. Hey mama, we pregnant, we here, what's up? And then the games begin. Now, in the midst of all of that, your soul is coming down to this planet inside of a star. Okay? And that star is a falling star. When you see a falling star, those are soul babies inside of that falling star coming down. And it's falling and hitting the different dimensions, the different planets, the different dimensions comets and other stars, other things within the planetary system, and it's picking up consciousness, because the universe has consciousness in everything. So you're just getting bits and pieces of consciousness as you're falling down with your real brothers and sisters, because it's just not going to be you inside of that star. Other energies, other souls will be in there. Those are your real brothers and sisters, your soul tribe. That's why you meet people on this planet that aren't related to you, and they feel way more closer to you than your bullshit family. You know how your homegirl feel more like your sister than your punk ass sister? Or your partner feel more like your partner than your punk ass brother? Like, man, I don't know what it is. This is my nigga. This is my dog. Oh. Yeah, they really are. People that you resonate with, real tough, are a part of your soul tribe. Embrace them and build with them. Beware of your so-called family that you were born to. Your so-called family that you were born to is full of a lot of bullshit. There's a lot of imposters in there. No, you're nothing but, the family that you're in is nothing more than the team you play for. And they gave you a jersey with their last name. Now, play our game. Your earthly parents are not your real parents. They are your earthly parents. Your real parents dwell in the spirit realm. Your real parents are in the spirit realm, waiting, anticipating the return of their baby. And they come here with you. Look to the right, look to the left, and your soul parents are with you. They're always with you. Always. Mama and daddy, cosmic mama and daddy. GoleonGiovanni@gmail.com. Email me to book a consultation so you can become a student, or if you need some spell work, altar kits, herbs, oils, candles, all your spiritual needs, holler at me. And every time you make a purchase, you get a free consultation and a free gift. Make sure you like this video and reshare it. Hit the subscribe button. Peace.